Good morning, good morning. Here we are, Friday the 13th, and Mandela's with us. Welcome back, Mandela. Good to have you. And looks like we
very good to be here, Andrew.
Really soon. Yes. How are we doing? 6 a.m.
6 a.m. Actually, second time is a little bit easier, a little bit more manageable this morning to get up. Still need to probably put on something a little hot to drink. Give me a little bit.
I've just had my double espresso, so I'll probably be hyped for about 10 minutes and crash and burn halfway through the show. But yeah, we're seems to be a bit more action today. We've got that supply level. It's been rejected, and we seem to be having a bit of a downward movement. So I think yesterday the stream went on for over 2 hours just to break even. I think we actually hit our take profit, but with top step. Slippage spread, whatever we want to call it. They didn't give me the trade. Trade reversed. We went up to a profitable break even. At the end of the day, we've had a relatively good week. We got that one loss on the Tuesday, which we recovered. So far we're green for the week and hoping to finish off on a positive today. But I just checked the date. It is Friday the 13th. So who knows what's going to happen. But we're looking good for this trade within the next 5 to 10 minutes, I hope. So Mandela, how was your trading yesterday? So I'll just tell people now that so Mandela was online until about 9 a.m. yesterday. Then his radio silence. And then when his trading session stopped, he was back on WhatsApp. I thought, okay.
Yeah, everything was fine. Everything went well. Yesterday was a little choppy. I got into a few quick trades. Nothing major. And then I stopped trading kind of around 5:30 UK, just after 5 o'clock London time. And it was a good day. I trade mainly the S&P, but I did notice that gold hit an all-time high yesterday, which was very interesting.
And I will say, in fairness, you've been predicting this, I think, for the last maybe 2 years. I think you was on that monthly or yearly chart, and you said, this is where gold is going. And me being more of a scalper or a day trader, I was like, no chance. But no, kudos, man. Fair play. You spot on. I wish I bought gold. Wish I listened to you about 2 years ago.
Yeah. Well, sometimes they say, if you're early, then you're wrong. So it's been a very difficult few years since that call. But yesterday we ended up getting that move shortly after we had the data out of the US that we were talking about, the major news. So I think there may have been some correlation around 1:30, but gold has just really impressed me. And I thought about you yesterday when I looked at the charts.
Yeah, no, I will. I said, take my hat off to you. I should have listened to you, and I should have gone in a low leverage gold trade all that time ago. But it is what it is, we live and learn, right? So on gold, do you see it going much higher again, or do you expect like a dip? I think it's in 2008, right? It had a big pullback on the yearly chart.
Yeah, well, when I step back, and because I know it's very tempting to focus on the daily chart or the 5 minute, 15 minute. Looking back at the last few years, I think gold had kind of waited to break out to where we are today, and I really think that we could see the next few months, maybe even the next few years, where we're in kind of like a rally mood. Maybe not like Bitcoin, but if we look at the percentage for this year, gold is up 24%, which is quite impressive for gold.
Yeah, that's really impressive, for a precious metal, right? So I'm gonna take a trade.
Go.
That's nice and early. Just bear with me while I set this up. 592.8. So we took the trade around here. Still navigating with TradingView. Been on MetaTrader all my trading life, so it's a bit of a novice here. But here we are, ratio 1. So we're in the trade here. Quite comfortable. Got my stop above the supply level. Gives me a little bit of confidence. And yeah, we can see how this one plays out. So just gonna swap my screen. And yeah, hoping for a quicker and better trade today. So as always, once I get down to about 75% profit level, I always get the stop into break even. And as you can see, we're on 1,531 profit. So we're 50% way there to passing this challenge. Projection is probably end of next week, I hope. Depending on how today goes, if we get a winner today, yeah, we've got 1,200 profit. We've got 1,200 left. We should do that by the end of next week. Then what we'll do then is we go into the 100k challenge and the 150, and then we'll go trading live then.
Very nice. Very impressive. You've done this also in a relatively short period of time. Just consistent, just day in and day out consistency. Very well done.
Yeah, just hoping to get that quick movement now. We got the previous 2 candles, 2 good moves. So yeah, don't want it to be like yesterday. It was like watching paint dry. Quite painful yesterday. So I think it was 2542.2. And normally I'd go and have a little argument with the broker about that, but end of the day we did finish off profitable. But yeah, I'd like them to check the price at that time to see what they come back with. But obviously they're going to say spread or commissions, etc. So just really wasn't worth a debate with Top Step. But we'll see how this one goes now.
That's interesting. It was something similar. I think it happened a week ago with the sort of slippage question, and it's always one of those risks, I guess, in this business.
So not to put you on the spot, and I promise for next week I'll send you questions the day before. But just looking for the high impact news today, we got US dollar, which is the Michigan consumer sentiment. Do we know much about that?
Yes. So I think just generally speaking, it just looks at the they do a survey on consumers, and what they're trying to find out is what the sentiment is generally. So bullish, bearish, positive, negative, various questions that they would receive, and just basically it's on the level of economic conditions that they're trying to achieve. It's what color is it? I'm not sure if it's a red.
Yeah, it's showing red on my FX book.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't tend to grab the headlines like some of the other red major news does, but
yeah, just want to say for any viewers in the chat or watch the show after, if you have any fundamental questions, Mandela's your man. Nobody has more knowledge, real knowledge of like market structure, market news, etc. So I know a lot of people will post on socials, they know the markets, but I would put anyone up for a debate versus Mandela on how the markets actually work. So if we do have any questions, you can pop them into the comments or chat, and we'll get back to you.
You're very kind, Andrew. Thank you. I feel like I'm still learning.
Yeah, it's the truth, right? I see a lot of these. I do see a lot of interviews, with retail traders, but no one of them has the real trading knowledge that you do, like yourself and Pax. So yeah, any questions, please ask.
I'm looking at the price here. So that was a pretty good entry, Andrew. I think that was very well executed.
Yeah, we got a nice supply level around 25.98. We've actually got a higher high, which it failed to break at 25.98.2. So we could see the reversal here for, I don't know what they call it on futures. It's to me it's 300 points, but I don't know, it might be 30 ticks on the futures market. I don't know what the cool kids call it. Yeah, I've gone with a little bit less tempo on the music this morning. It's Friday. Week's caught up.
I like the music. I like the music change. It's nice.
Quite relaxing for 6 a.m.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice and sort of mellow. I think I'm gonna just pop off for a moment just to make myself a cup of tea. I get the kettle on.
No worries, mate.
I'll be back.
A few moments later.
And you're back.
That's hilarious. You are having too much fun at
I tell you what, you'll regret giving me the controls. You'll want these back now for the next show.
It's actually nice, It's nice to be in the other seat, on the other side. You've gotten it done. I mean, you've
created a monster, mate. I'm telling you, right? I've got the best for last.
Oh, jeez. All right, I'll be back. In a second.
No worries.
All right, I'm back. Back and ready to attack.
Welcome back with your coffee.
I think you found yourself a new job. You're just so
Yeah.
quick. You're quick on the trigger.
I've got to go on my hotkeys. Yeah, I've been had a good look at StreamYard over the weekend. So yeah, we just looking at this. We seem to be just testing this. I can actually level at 2596.2. I'm hoping it rejects. Here we go. So we still got 4 minutes on this candle, so we can see what it's going to do. I still think it's a good trade. We've got to stop above the supply level. So yeah, we're going to see how this one plays out.
Do you ever exit sort of in advance of the stop?
Normally, no. I like to trade 1-to-1, but I am quite cautious. Getting a stop loss into break even. But loss is a part and parcel of the day. So if we take a loss, if another trade presents itself for 8 o'clock, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Sometimes I might increase the contract size just to recover, make a small profit, or just to cover the commissions. But yeah, I'm going to explain. After all these years, like if I hit a stop, I feel nothing, and if I hit a profit, I feel nothing, and just cold. Just take the emotion out of it. Just don't feel anything, even if I hit a large profit, over multiple accounts. It's just okay. It's payday, right? It is what it is, and it's the same with the stop, as Pax taught us. It's expenses for the day, right?
Yeah, expenses is the key, and every business has expenses. It's not.
Yeah, I can remember in the past hit a stop loss and my day would be ruined. Be in a bad mood for the day. Shut the computer off. Have a right little tantrum. But now it's just okay. It's a stop. It is what it is. On to the next. And I find that helps a lot as well.
Yeah, that's the next level of maturity, I think, where it's part and parcel of the business.
Yeah, I'm confident in the strategy as well. Done a lot of back testing, and I'm looking to go to something called Trade Seller next month, where it actually automatically keeps a diary for you of all your trades. Gives you your win percentage, your R rate. It does all that automatically for you. You can also back test with the strategy as well. You can actually input, your strategy, your times of trading, and it'll actually do the back testing for you. Looks really good. So yeah, I'm probably going to sign up to that next month. Share my screen on that now. While we're waiting for this trade. So this is it here. Yeah, so it actually keeps a diary for you.
What's the name of it?
It's called Trade Seller.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like an upgraded my FX book, right? Account balance, trade win percentage, trade expectancy. Yeah, it actually gives you metrics here in the bottom.
Do you know what? I actually have an account with them, Andrew.
All right.
I have an account with them. I've connected one of my accounts already, and it is amazing. It is incredibly amazing.
Yes, we're back testing, trade replay. It looks really good.
Yeah, I highly recommend it. User friendly, and like you were saying, the journaling is a next level. You're able to see all your entries, exits, and you can put. You can note them all right up, mark them up.
So can you link your account and it automatically does it for you, or
Yes. So I have so far, actually on my list of things to do since we've arrived in London, my next thing is to link my other accounts so that I have all of them. Right now it's just the one main account. I just wanted to kind of test it out, and I've been very impressed. So every trade, as soon as you take it, it will automatically register. with them, and then you can always put the notes that you want, explain why you got it, like everything you want.
Yeah, so it looks like we're going to test our supply level. Potentially, we're going to hit our stop. Could be a buy trade actually setting up. Just looking at the chart, looking at the trading view chart, it could actually be a buy coming in. So yeah, we'll watch this closely. If a buy does come in, then I would probably close the trade, or I will close the trade. Yeah, so actually reverse the position, then adjust the stops.
Yeah, I like that flexibility, where you're not necessarily just a fixed mindset. You have a growth mindset, which is key.
But for me, you need to take out this supply level or take out that higher high.
Yes.
And we can see on the chart. So from 5:30 a.m. up until now, it's just been like peppering that level. It's been testing it. There's sideways movement. It's just testing it again. So yeah, we just watch this one play out. If we do get a buy alert, and just looking at the market, the trend of the market is definitely bullish. We could take that position, but
yeah, it's. I had a look as well. Yesterday was quite a strong day, so I know the momentum was up. But like you were saying, the setup was showing that there could be a little bit of a down.
Yeah,
run.
For our candlestick purists out there, this looks like it's going to be a bearish candle. Could be closing on a bearish candle. So yeah, we'll hold the line.
Are you using? Is that a 5-minute candle? 5-minute.
Yeah, so we're on the 5 minutes. So I trade gold futures on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah. Well, that makes sense.
Yeah, so the idea is really just to get in and out before the big boys come, on the H4 and daily chart, and when the real traders come on, the market movers, is my intention is to be finished.
Yeah, that's a very, very smart move. Very smart strategy to have.
I'm just wondering how many people got wiped out on CPI yesterday. I was actually watching the US 500, and yeah, it had some good movement. We'll probably cover that later, but
yeah,
so I see people posting wins.
Yeah, of course they're only going to show the wins. That's all they show.
But statistically, 95% of traders fail. So so for all those winners you're seeing, for every 5 winners, there's got to be 95 losers, right?
Yeah. No, you're right. I think that's the nature of the beast. Yes. I think yesterday was it was pretty choppy yesterday, so when it's a day like that, especially like the first 2 hours, 3 hours of trading, if it tends to be a little bit more range bound, then I tend not to trade for very long. So yeah, we can have a look at that later if we have any time. Looks like gold is starting to move again. I have a little bit of information on gold if you don't mind me sharing a little bit, Andrew.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
So record highs yesterday. So gold has never been this high, and I think it comes from an expectation that the U.S. Federal Reserve is going to cut rates. And usually, what happens is when the Federal Reserve cuts rates, gold usually moves higher or inverse to that. So yesterday it was up 0.5%. Please stop me if you need to.
Yeah, no, I agree. Also, I think the last time we seen this like bullish momentum with gold was during the last presidential election as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can remember actually gold, it sort of crashed at first, and and then I think it had a major spike up when it was announced for Biden actually got in. So it's going to be around November. It's going to be an interesting time for gold and US stocks.
Yeah, no, I absolutely agree. That is a huge, massive factor in terms of price moves in gold. So
I've got to say, out of 35 million people in the US, Harris and Trump are the best they come up with. So yeah, I'm looking forward to November. I'm looking forward to the pantomime and then seeing what happens.
Did you see any of the debate?
Yeah, I caught some highlights of it, and I just don't know what to say about it, to be honest. I think it's bad to each other. If I'm honest.
I know.
Yeah, I think out of 35 million, I can imagine there's some real good intellect in the US, but they're probably too clever to put themselves forward as normally.
That could be it. Those are the two that want it the most, I guess.
But it's going to be interesting. I think it's close. I'd probably say 50-50 at the moment. You can't take too much off socials. So it's going to be interesting to see who gets in.
Yeah. Also interesting as well, like you said, interesting to see how the markets react.
Someone did ask me before, why are you interested in the US elections? But I said it has a massive impact on what I do. It has a massive impact on the price, for foreign policy, etc. It all has an impact on what I trade, which is gold. Again, US stocks. So yeah, it's something, and it's entertainment, right? It's pretty funny. And just see some people as well just really just losing their shit on socials over it is fantastic.
Yeah, definitely entertaining, and it's fun to watch from the sidelines.
Yeah, it's when I was in the US in 2019, and it's primetime TV. So I think I was in a restaurant somewhere, and on the TVs, on one TV there'd be the baseball. On the other TV, then it would just be pure politics, just running 24/7.
Yeah, it's like a sport, like any other sport. They love it. Gold. So gold right now, I think, is one of the best performing in terms of conflicts. People tend to move to gold when there's uncertainty, like we were talking about elections and things, but also when there's conflicts, geopolitical conflicts, tends to be the place that people like to park their money. So I do think for the rest of the year, Andrew, I do think we tend to see higher highs, let's say from now until December. And it's on that basis, I think, that people tend to in the long run, people tend to go to gold.
Do you think Bitcoin will follow suit as well? Leading up to the election, just people are uncertain where to put their money.
Order filled.
I think so.
Yeah, so we just hit our stop. So it's a shame. So.
It's a business.
It is the business, but we'll spice things up now. Here we go.
We've warmed up now. Got our warm up on the way.
Coffee's kicked in, so yeah, we're still rejecting off that supply level. So potentially, I might take that sell again around 25.96.3 to get back to that level. Yeah, we just, like I said earlier, we just pepper in that supply. We spiked through it, but we can't get a solid break with the candle.
Yeah, it's a very interesting price action in gold.
Yes. Yeah, here we go. Here's the rejection. So So yeah, I'm looking for this price out to take this supply level out to break this higher high. Yeah, we can get another rejection here.
I almost want to give a warning to anyone watching. Do not try this at home. Andrew is a professional.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
it
I like
takes
to
a
think
lot
so.
it takes a lot of years. You were talking about the last election, and even at that point, you'd been trading for quite a long time before that. So I think sometimes there's the perception that you can just open up an account and press buttons. Just a reminder to people.
There we go. Yes, we're really testing the supply level.
Yeah. I think the normal course of business is usually when we see an all-time high, that means that everybody who was bought previously is in profit. So I think only naturally that some people are going to take profits. There's going to be someone who bought last week, last month, last quarter, who says, okay, I'm going to take, even if it's 5% of their position or something off the table, and cash in profits. So with that rationale, I think the setup makes sense.
Yeah, so we test our supply level. We're still struggling to get through it. So I probably will risk it again. Probably will take a sell around here, or I'll take a buy if we break above this higher high.
So you're in cash at the moment? Or
I'm not. I just took a stop loss.
Got you. So
My stop was here, and yeah, we
I
hit
see.
our stop on that sell.
I see. Okay. So looking for another entry.
So yeah, I'm ever looking to buy around here. If we get a candle open around this level, which is 25.98.6, I'm going to take another sell around 25.96. So just like I said yesterday, it's like fishing. Just have to wait for the fish to come to us. But yeah, we seem to be getting some downward movement now.
I don't like to talk as price is moving, for fear that it may impact the price. I was going to ask you, do you have any sort of I don't want to use the word rituals, but do you have anything that you do either before, during, or after trade?
Yeah, quick prayer normally. No, seriously, yeah. Yeah.
Say that one more time. Say that one more time.
Quick prayer.
Oh, quick prayer, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Wouldn't hurt.
normally
Wouldn't hurt at all.
routines like a vitamin tablet, double espresso,
Yes.
big bottle of water.
Yeah.
We say to a prayer, and then off we go.
Nice. I think that helps. That helps with the confidence and with the patience as well. gonna ask you have you been following anything with Alex Lara?
No, I
She
haven't.
trades gold as well.
I haven't been following anyone.
Mm.
Yeah, I need to jump back in Telegram and just have a look at what she's been up to. It'd be great to get her back on the show just to see her progress. Since we last spoke.
Yeah, she's one of those gold traders that I feel like right now she's probably trading gold as well.
Yeah, and she's another successful ICT student, and I know a lot of people, give it a little bit of stick, but that's what she uses, and she's very profitable. So
yeah, maybe let's see if we can reach out. I know we have a few other guests that we've lined up for the end of the year, but maybe we can have her.
yeah, even if we
for
just
the end of the
invite
year.
her as a co-host when we talk to
Yeah.
some of the other guests. Yeah, it'd be
Yeah.
good if she can join the show again.
Yeah. Let's see, I'm just having a quick look at the economic calendar again. You mind if I just give a little bit of heads up for some of the other?
Yeah, if you want
Event.
to share your screen, yeah, go
Oh, yeah,
ahead.
sure. I can do that. Let's do present. Yeah. No, this should be faster this time than yesterday. Famous last words. Okay. There we go. So using Forex Factory, one of the original news sites. I think, red houses. I didn't have the Michigan consumers as red. I guess it's probably borderline between the two. But this one is yellow, but it's still worth mentioning. So it's the Eco Finance Ministers meeting, and it's basically Financial Affairs Council. So they'll start their meeting. Day one is today. Nothing to be really worried about in many ways. I think this is just something that may impact the euro. So anybody trading euro peers, I don't think it impacts us very much, Andrew. But just to be aware of things like this are helpful on a day to day, and that's not much else really to talk about. Just having a quick look at some of the peers, not much movement yet. Maybe we see a little bit more action when London markets open up in a little while. One other one, if you're still holding in a holding pattern, just wanted to quickly share the S&P chart. Similar to yesterday, we have the Asian high, the range of the Asian high, and the Asian low here. This was where we closed yesterday. So we're approaching. It looks very similar to gold. Tested this high around, just say earlier this morning, and it looks like it's knocking on the door again. So it could either move lower, drop down a bit lower, or we could see a move higher, a breakout out of this Asian range. So that's what I'm looking at for US 500, also known as the S&P 500. I can actually. You mind if I show you?
Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, got some good levels marked in as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, for me, if it gets above that 5604, potentially it's looking quite bullish, right?
Yeah, I agree. I wholeheartely agree. So we'll see. We'll just see. Like you said, it's like it's just like fishing. You put the hook overboard and just let it do its thing. I wanted to quickly show you So we do have a Discord. We don't advertise it. We don't need to advertise it really. But there are some charts that we keep in here. So yesterday, just did a quick chart of yesterday. So yesterday ended up getting chopped around a bit. So out of the opening range, the green shaded areas are opening range. So we went down first, and up, down, and at this point, basically right here, Andrew, that's where I called it quits, somewhere around here. It's just after 5 o'clock London. And I said, you know what, it's a choppy day. It looks like it's going to continue to be a choppy day today. And you know what happened after this, Andrew?
Yeah.
This would have been my setup here, the breakout out of the opening range. So it goes to show you sometimes when you walk away, the market has other ideas. And
That's
like you were talking about earlier, this used to really bug me. Like there's a little man who kind of said, "Oh look, Mandela's finished for today. Okay, now let's actually press the button and let's make the move happen." But it's just one day in many, and tomorrow is another opportunity for us. So that's the way.
That's the way to look at it. You know, got to treat it like a business, and whatever business you run, even if it's like a coffee shop or something, someday you'll have good sales. Maybe on a rainy day, not so much. And I think that's where you got to treat trading as well. And just treat your stop loss as an expense.
Exactly. So in the end of the day, I ended up on the day. So it was a green day, profitable day, up just over 200. So very humble, very modest. I'm grateful. I'm very grateful to be up, to be able to finish this sort of choppiness up 200 and a bit. And in my journal, I just wrote very, very neatly and very accurately that the price started to break out and move higher almost immediately after I stopped. And I'm okay with that.
Yes, just looking at
You can take it back.
Just looking at the gold now. Yeah, we seem to be probably going to take another sell. We can't seem to bust through his supply level. We can see, the previous 4 candles are all bearish. So really, I wanted the price to, break through here and open. And as I say it, the price goes up. But yeah, commentator's curse, right? But yeah, we're looking for another entry from 25.96. But we got the doji candle here again. The candlestick theorists, that normally indicates a reversal or the market's undecided. So yeah, we'll see which way this goes now.
Very interesting start to the Friday here. As you mentioned, it's Friday the 13th. So just like any day, anything can happen.
So here we go. It's just that waiting game again, and let's see if something presents itself.
We were talking yesterday about time. So, do you usually finish up around 8 o'clock or shortly?
Yeah, normally around 8
o'clock?
o'clock. Yeah. So
yeah.
Any trades after 8 o'clock potentially I don't take. Unless I'm relatively sure, the price is close to the supply level like it is now. I try not to be honest. I have a busy day, so yeah, 6 to 8 is my time.
Yeah. We're getting a breakout in S&P 500. We were looking at it when it was on the verge of breaking out, and we just started to see a little bit of a breakout. Not sure if it's going to hold, but just wanted to flag that as a possible setup on my side.
Yeah,
sometimes
it's got
find
gold. Yeah, it seems to be breaking below that high key level there. Yeah, we might get a push down. Here we go. Time to put it on the line. Yeah, you can see him. What am I looking at? I'm looking at this over here. Just seeing a range really from here. Just seeing this range. If we can break this range here, I'll be quietly confident we can get into a TP.
I like the chart, Andrew, by the way. Really liking the chart.
Yeah, so I've done this trade. You can see normally I trade in micro gold. Normally trade 10 contracts. So I've traded 15 this time. So number one, just to cover that expense of 300 stop loss we took earlier, then just to make a small profit for the day. So if we get to around 300, that's an if. Probably get our stop loss into break even. Then just, I've covered the day, so it's going to be plus or minus zero, and then hopefully we can get some profit.
I'm not saying anything, Andrew. I'm not gonna say a word.
Yeah, it's got my stop loss to a profitable stop. Yeah, we could push down that candle, hoping for the same. probably moved my stop too early. Probably the pressure of trading life, being on YouTube. Probably should have let this trade play out, but I don't want to take another loss or another big hit today on 2 trades.
I think
that's stop. Yeah, I think that stop above the supply levels. A safe place, but let's see what we can do on this candle.
I think you're reading the charts extremely well. I think sometimes you have to be a bit defensive. Sometimes you have to be aggressive, and I think you're playing very well right now, Andrew. I'm just thinking of Arsenal going 1 down, so being 1 goal behind in the first half. If that makes any sense to anyone, then
you're gonna struggle the next couple of weeks. You've got some big injuries, right? So
yeah, Odegaard. I saw the injury actually, and he tried to play through it. So yeah, quite a few. We also lost Declan Rice to double yellow.
Yeah, I think that was a terrible decision as well.
Yeah, the grounds were in uprage. It was atrocious, the call. So
and he's a great player for you. He's a great signing. I think he's underestimated, what he brings to the team, and I think you haven't seen the best of him yet. But Martinelli's still my favourite player for Arsenal.
He is my favourite player. I still have a jersey. The next time we go on camera, I'll dig out the Martinelli. He hasn't been starting lately, so it's been kind of between Martinelli and Trossard.
Yeah.
And Trossard started the last game against Brighton, so it's a little bit of a roulette between the two of them.
Yeah, he's a great impact player as well. Opposition's tired after 60, 70 minutes. To bring Martinelli on,
he's got the speed. Yeah, that's for sure.
Causes all sorts of problems, right? He's a great player. I'd love him at United. Looks like we're gonna hit this profitable stop now. Probably moved it too early.
Order filled.
Yeah. Okay. So probably gonna wait. Probably will take another trade today. But we're probably gonna see the price now. Won't be surprised if we go into a take profit. I think it's around there. I'd like to see the price break his supply level here. If we could do that, I'll probably be looking to buy later. But yeah, we had the reversal here with Doji. You could say we had a bit of it's only a 5-minute chart, but it was a micro liquidity void here, which is filled. I wouldn't be surprised to see the price continue its downward trend. But I won't be catching any more sells now. And probably wait until after the London Open and see where the price truly sits.
I think that's a good game plan to have. I would have done the same thing just now. Protect the position.
Okay, so we
did get a nice down move though. That was a good call.
Got the expenses down to 281. I'll be happy to break even for the day. Not going to chase the trade, so just have to let them come to me.
Put that hook back overboard with put the hook back overboard. That's it.
Pat juicy worm on the hook, drop it over the side.
Wait for something to bite. I think the mental game or the mindset is something that gets overlooked a lot on social media, particularly if you're watching a lot of the influencers. They don't tend to focus on, okay, well, what happens if you have an expense? What happens if you're in a trade, you're up, and then it starts to kind of turn around? So I think this is like a masterclass in many ways.
Yeah,
for traders to see.
Yeah, I think so. Some people would say, you don't have faith in your strategy because you moved your stop. But yeah, for me, it's about capital preservation. I wouldn't like to take two stops in one day. Normally, the rule is it's one trade a day. Stop a profit and normally stop trading. So I'd rather take 1 or 2 wins in the week and 1 or 2 break evens.
Yeah, that's that's definitely a great target. A great way to kind of break it down. Also, like your attitude, which is on to the next trade, It's just a trade. You're not falling in love with the trade. You're not you're just treating it as a business.
Ultimately, the markets will decide, like where the price goes. The best thing you can do is your projection, right, your analysis, and then the rest is up to the market to do. You can't, as much as you try and will the price down or will the price up, it's going to do what it wants to do. So you need to make sure you tick all the boxes of your strategy and enter the trade. And it's just a game of probabilities then. Saying that, I will be disappointed if this hits the TP now.
I find always, in hindsight, things just seem clearer to me as well. And that's, I think, part of human nature, in a way, is you're going to react. You're still going to react, and being able to, like you said, being able to take something from it, grow, maybe incorporate something down the line. All part and parcel of being a trader, and every day we learn from ourselves. I noticed that you kind of created your own
trade. I'll probably see that trade probably after 8 a.m. now, but yeah, so it looks like we should have pulled back with our green candle. We could continue the trend down, but price breaks through here. So if price breaks through 25.92, we're gonna have a nice bearish market today. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, it looks like I did move the stop too early, but it is what it is, right?
Well, part of the business. There's no possible way anyone would know for certainty. I think you did everything right. I really do. In real time, that is.
Yeah, hindsight's a great thing, right? Right, let me... Just going to try and track the price here. So when I say track the price, we're looking for a break here, which would be bearish, or if we get a break above here, could be looking bullish. So just when I say track the price, it's just some old-fashioned technical analysis talk.
I like the old-fashioned technical analysis talk.
Yeah, there we are. Okay, it's just broken through. So yeah, we might get pushed down to that big profit level we had. So because it's broken through this trend line now, it's now invalid, so you'd actually move the trend line down. Seems to be finding some support around this level here, 25.94.
I'm actually going to call it, Andrew, call it a day and start to get everything
Yeah,
ready in the house. Yeah.
Yeah, no, same here. So yeah, thanks for jumping on, and I'll catch up with you next week, right?
Yep, definitely.
Excellent. Thanks, Mandela.
Keep up the fantastic work, and I'll be watching.
Right, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye for now.
Take care. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks. You're far too kind. Thank you.
So probably going to end the stream now in about 5 minutes, but what I will be looking for is, I'm not taking to sell, and I've missed that opportunity. We did take the trade, we did take profit here, and I probably moved my stop too soon, my profitable stop way too soon, to be honest. Should have probably waited for the trade. So what I'll do, I won't be taking another sell, I'm actually going to wait for a buy around here, probably after the London Open, and see if we can break through this supply level. We did have all-time highs yesterday, so I wouldn't be surprised if we actually see a retest in the markets today. But I'll update you on the results on Monday morning. So until then, happy trading. Thanks for tuning in.